Hi, Mr. Lemaster here. Let's start with the question. Use the marking tool to identify two words in paragraph 2 that suggest the author admires or appreciates meteorologists and the work they do. So I've got to stay focused with a question like this because it's layered. There's a number of things I have to think about. Number one, I'm looking for two words in paragraph 2. So let's go to paragraph 2. Here's paragraph 1. And here's paragraph 2. All right, I'm going to leave this highlighted for a minute and go back to the question. I'm looking for, in paragraph 2, words, two words in particular. Right here it tells me two words that tell me that the author admires or appreciates meteorologists and the work that they do. So I'm looking for words that are complimentary. I'm looking for words that suggest the author really likes or admires, as it says here, these meteorologists. So let's take a look. There is a special group of scientists that study and forecast the weather called meteorologists. Okay, well, the first sentence in this paragraph uses special. So I'm going to mark that in because that tells me that this person really likes or feels like these scientists are a special group. Meteorology is the study of the atmosphere. No admiration there, no appreciation. The science traces back to the ancient Greeks who studied clouds, wind, and rain. That's just history. They believed that understanding how weather worked was important to the men and women who farmed for food and those who sailed the oceans. Well, that's a word that's admiring, important. But notice, this word important means that the meteorologists, that work was important to the men and women. That the work that they did was important. But look what it says. Predicting weather continues to be a valuable part of our society. So these are the two words that tell me that the author admires or appreciates. Let's go back to this word important here. They believe that understanding how weather worked was important to men and women. So it's the meteorologists that think it's important, not the author saying that you meteorologists are important. It's that the meteorologists thought that it was important that people knew the weather. It's a very different thing. But the author says here that the group is special, and the author says here the group is valuable. The work that they did was valuable. So these are the two words in our question that tell us that the author admires and appreciates meteorologists.